for so many years that I was, suicidal. I mean, I just didn't want to live. So I just thought, if I'm gonna die, if I'm gonna kill myself, I should take some drugs,
Close and say you love me. Now you acting like a ghost, and that's okay. I know I'm ugly. Now I'm swerving in the ghost, and I'm okay. I'm getting money. Now I'm switching up the coast. Get out my way, I stop for nothing. Give me some time and give me your patience. Came in the game last month. Fuck the game, I'm done. Give me a sign and I'm gonna take it whatever way I want. Bitch, I get paid up front. I'm getting mine, so fuck all your placements. Baby face, I'm young. Fuck the place I'm from. Don't hit my line and say something basic. If it ain't about the money, please don't waste no time. Looking out the edge and I'm picturing the fall, cause I don't wanna break my legs and have to carry on. Hey, if I carry on, I'm gonna need some marijuana. Put it in my bond and I'll make another song.
May as well become a junkie, cause I felt like a junkie every day, waking up starving, forcing myself to eat, barfing it back up. It's like, I'm in pain.